Okay, this is an instructional video on how to replace a laptop screen for an Acer Aspire 57426814. And it's really easy. You just need a screwdriver, a little screwdriver. I think I used a butter knife last time, but it was a lot more difficult with butter knife. So your first step is just to remove these two screws down here at the bottom, and they usually have these little black pieces of plastic over them to disguise them. You'll just take that off, set to the side, and remove the screws. And then you'll just have to pry the plastic framing off of here. It's pretty easy. If you just get under one corner of it, the rest of it will come off pretty easy. And then there's some screws holding it in this metal frame here on either side. There might usually be 4 screws, but since I've replaced my screen before, I think I lost a few screws, which has turned out fine. But your next step is to remove these screws. And then you can just pull this screen right out, and it's connected on the back. Right here. And to get this off, you might just be able to pull it off. It might be stuck a little bit with tape, but usually it's just pretty easy to pull off. There's just a couple of little metal prongs here that stick into a couple little holes here, so you might have to pry those up a little bit. That comes right off. And for this laptop, make sure that you get the one with the port right here. Sometimes there's also another one sold on this website that I got this from that has the port coming off of the bottom here, and you don't want that because I accidentally ordered that last time and it didn't fit together well. So now I have my new screen from laptopscreen.com, I believe it is. And we'll just plug this right in. Kind of stick it on. And you're ready to put it back together, just how you took it apart.